Okay, today is June 24th, and I'm recording this not to prove dust, even though there is dust, even though there is noise. I'm recording to prove that mostly every truck is going to Calo site. While our officials say that it's every other company. No, it is not. Another Tia Maria truck that belongs to Calo, and another one going down Chubb Road in front of him. And there is a front loader on top of a concrete mountain. I saw him talking on his cell phone, probably taking pictures of me, which is fine. There's another truck going down Chubb Road, south on Chubb Road. That's the third one now. So much about trucks belonging to everybody else. It's all Calo, ladies and gentlemen. I will wait a few more seconds more. And the front loader on the top, he stopped any activity because he don't want me to record the dust he creates when pushing all that concrete around. Another truck coming, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see who he is. Taking a left turn. Another one taking a right turn on Chubb Road. Yep, the first one is taking a right onto Calo property. And so is the second one. And this is only a few minutes of my recording showing that every truck is going to Calo property. So it's not every other company, it's Calo and trucking and concrete crushing company causing dust. Oh, there's another one leaving Calo company. Let's see where he will go. Oh, he's coming my way. Oh, there's another one taking a right turn on the Chubb Road. Oh, one is passing. Yay! One finally that does not go to Calo property. One truck. The front loader is still sitting still on the top. And this is Tia Maria, just another name for Calo company. And another one coming off Calo company. The blue one. The first one, I think it's not Calo. It's one of the original. And this one, they have a properties north of Chubb. They are allowed to go that way. Tia Maria, in other words, Calo Trucking. So this is only about 5 minutes of my recording. And how many trucks did you see that go to Calo property, and how many trucks did you see that don't go to Calo property? And this is my proof. July 24th around 2 o'clock. Thank you very much.